What's up guys, welcome back to GILL'S Garage. In this episode we're going to be building a brand new headliner for the 1974 F-250. The old one is completely non-existent, so we're going to have to pull the trim out and trace that onto a new board so we can figure out exactly what size to cut the new headliner out to. So let's get right to it. Alrighty, as you guys can see, the old headliner is just completely shot. You have insulation hanging down and it just looks like junk. So what I have to do is unscrew the trim, that way we can take it and go inside the garage and trace it out so we can cut a new board. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so I got this all taped together and laid down on here. I'm going to go ahead and trace out this side and cut it, and then make sure everything fits up right with the bends, and then I'll trace out this side and cut that. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I was going to throw a design on here, but I'm artistically impaired, so I'm just going to go ahead and stain it, and eventually I'll probably print off a sticker or something because I can do that. So let's go ahead and start throwing some stain on here. Alrighty guys, the stain finally dried, and I'm going to go ahead and throw some sealer on here to make it really pop while it's inside the truck. So without wasting any more time, let's start pouring it on. Alrighty guys, I finally got the sealer put on here. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and polish up the chrome trim some just so it looks nice and clean. And then tomorrow morning, after this totally cures, we're going to throw it in the truck. I'll see you guys then. Good morning guys, it is actually 2 days later. It rained all day yesterday and I woke up to a nippy 26 degrees this morning, and it is starting to snow just a little bit. So we're going to hurry up and grab this headliner and throw it in that truck so we can get this finished up. Alrighty, we finally got that headliner installed. I think it looks absolutely amazing. If there's something that you guys would have done differently or something that you guys think I should do to this truck, shoot something down in the comments and I'll make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and I'll catch you guys next time.